good morning, everybody. Thanks for clicking by today. My name's Justin, and today we're going to Magic City Octane in Birmingham, Alabama. It's a car meet or a car show or a cars and coffee or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know, but I've got coffee and there's going to be cars, so I guess we'll call it a cars and coffee because it literally is going to be cars and coffee, at least for me. I'm sure everybody else will probably have coffee there too. I digress. Let's go ahead and get on the road because car show starts in 20 minutes and we're an hour and 10 minutes away. Not a morning person. Let's go. Alright, and we made it out. Only took about an hour and 15 and traffic was only slightly terrible. Well guys, so they got a little bit of everything out here. There's Maseratis, Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, classic Chevys, hot rods. You fucking name it, they got it. Pretty bonkers. That's as far as I made it before my camera started overheating and I wasn't far behind it. It's like 90 degrees out here with like way too much humidity. I mean, it's scorching. I mean, here, check this out. Scheiße! It's hot. Alright, heading back out in the heat. Got my poker face on so it's even hotter, but at least not spreading infectious diseases out in this thing. And yeah, go take some pictures and maybe a little bit more video and see how that works out. Got Alabama in a nutshell right here. Not gonna lie, that's pretty sick. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. Look at this thing. Wow, look at DeLorean. Beautiful, beautiful finish on this car. Wow. Never seen one of these in person before. Always wanted to for pretty obvious reasons. It's quite an iconic car. Let's look at these windows, man. That is odd. What an odd design. Damn, B. That sucks. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for clicking by. Of course, if you liked the video, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. You know, you hear this from every other YouTuber on a every single video basis. But yeah, for real though, go ahead and like and subscribe. And otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time.